Yes, friends, class 9, chapter number first is going on, which is related to number system. Yesterday, we explained the basic of the chapter about irrational, rational, and whole number, integers, and natural numbers. Today, operations on the number. First, if any decimal form is there, so we have to convert in the form of p by q. To convert the decimal form in p by q. What are the steps? Take 0.23 bar. This is the decimal form we have to convert in the form of p by q. So first step, first of all, take the given decimal form equal to x. So let x is equal to 0.23 bar. 0.23 bar. So friends, first step should be in your mind. What is without bar? 2 is without bar. So first of all, we will shift to this side. For shifting these sides, multiplying, because one digit is there. So multiplying both the sides by 10. So on multiplying, this is equation number 1. Let on multiplying, because without bar is only one digit. On multiplying both the sides by 10. Now multiply by 10, 10x. If I will try to understand, if I will multiply by 10, so 2 will shift this side and here will be 3 bar. So this is equation number 2. Now we have to shift this 3 also this side. So 10x is equal to 2.3 bar means write 3 times. 3 times. Any doubt, any confusion? So now bar is only one digit. So on multiplying both the sides by again 10. On multiplying both the sides by 10. If I multiply by 10, it will be 100x. So 2, 3, 3, 3. So all multiplying by 10, I multiply by 10. Decimal should be after 3 digits, so it will cancel. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. On subtracting 2 from 3. Now this is equation number 3. This is equation number 2. On subtracting 2 from 3. Now 3 is 100x minus 10x. 2 3.33 minus 2.33. Any doubt, any confusion? So you can write like this, then you'll understand easily. 2.33, because we are subtracting, so sign will be changed. So 100x minus 10x, so it will be 90x. These 3 cancel to 3, and 23 minus 2, it will be 21. So value of x will be 21 by 90. So this is the p by q form of 0.23 bar. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now next topic, next formula is, next type is rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. For example, 5 by root 7 plus root 3. So we have to rationalize the denominator. So to solve the problem related to rationalize, so you have to learn these three main identities: a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. These three identities will be, it means you have to learn all the three. So sometime you need to apply two, sometime you need to apply only one. Oh. So in this question, rationalize the denominator. On rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So 5 by root 7 plus root 3. So we have to change the sign. Sign is plus. So if I will change the sign and I will write root 7 minus root 3. So there will be problem. No, because root 7 minus root 3 will cut by root 7 minus root 3. So there will be no change on the statement. It will remain as it is. Now 5 multiply with root 7. 5 root 7 minus 5 root 3. A plus b, a minus b. Root 7 square minus root 3 square. Root 7 square minus root 3 square. So 5 root 7 minus 5 root 3. Square cancel to square root. 7 square root cancel to square root. So 3. So 5 root 7 minus 5 root 3 by 7 minus 3, 4. So you can write like this, or you can write like this also. 5 root 7 by 4 minus 5 root 3 by 4. So this is the solution of this one. Have you understood? So once again I am repeating. For rationalize the denominator, first change the sign, multiply and divide. So after changing the sign, root 7 minus root 3 by root 7 minus root 3. So you have to multiply 5 with each. So when you multiply 5 root 7, so keep this thing in your mind. Don't write root 35. This will be wrong. So what is outside? There is 1. So 5 multiply with 1, 5 root 7. Students are doing this mistake. They are multiplying like this. Sometimes they are writing 35. So this is wrong. 5 root 7 minus 5 root 3. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, square cancel to square root. So 7 minus 3. 5 root 7 minus 5 root 3 by 4. So 5 root 7 by 4 minus 5 root 3 by 4. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now next question. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. On rationalize the denominator. On rationalize the denominator. On rationalize the denominator. So root 5 plus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. So root 5 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 3. So root 5 plus root 3 multiply with root 5 plus root 3. A minus b, a plus b. So a plus b, a plus b. It means this identity will be applied. Root 5 plus root 3 square. A minus b, a plus b. Root 5 square minus root 3 square. Root 5 square minus root 3 square. So a plus b whole square. Root 5 square plus root 3 square plus 2 a root 5 b root 3. A square cancel to square root. 5 minus 3 2. 5 minus 3 2. So square cancel to square root 5, square cancel to square root 3 plus 2 root 15 by 2. 5 and 3 8. 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2. So you can write them separate. 8 by 2 plus 2 root 15 by 2. 2 4 the 8. 2 cancel to 2. So root 15. 4 plus root 15. Once again I am repeating. So rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means change the sign, multiply and divide. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab by 2. So 5 plus 3, 2 root 15, 5 and 3, 8. 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2. So 8 by 2 plus 2 root 15 by 2. So 2 4 ja. So it will cancel. So 4 plus root 15. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. So this is the solution of this question. Next question. To represent the irrational number on the number line. Representation of irrational number on the number line. On the number line. So we have to represent root 5. We have to represent root 5. So there are two methods. First of all, root 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. So 4 is square root 2 and 1 also can be written in the form of square. So 2 square plus 1 square. So root 5 will be the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle whose base is 2 and perpendicular is 1. Is it clear? So root 5 will be the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle whose base is 2 and perpendicular is 1. This point is clear? Okay. Now take number line. This is 0. So at equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x axis you can take, otherwise no need. So this is the number line. Base is 2 unit. So this side negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So base is 2. So this is 1, this is 2. So up to here is 2 unit. make a 90-degree angle and cut 1 unit. Cut 1 unit. 2 is base, 1 is perpendicular. Join this one. O M T. So this is equal to root 5. This is equal to root 5. Now this length we have to represent on the number line. So up to OP. P is taken already, you take any name. OR. OR is representing root 5 on the number line. Now if there is any confusion, once again I am repeating. We have to represent root 5 on the number line. Root 5 is the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle whose base is 4 and perpendicular is, base is 2 and perpendicular is 1. So this is the number line. Take 2 units as a base and make here 90-degree angle and cut 1 unit as a perpendicular. So this is the hypotenuse whose length is root 5. But we have to represent on the number line. So take a radius equal to this and cut from here on the number line. So OR is representing root 5 on the number line. So another method by using spiral method. So what is spiral method? So this is your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. So take 1 unit as a base and perpendicular also 1 unit. 1 is base, 1 is perpendicular. Give any name OM and this is P. Then hypotenuse will be equal to root 2. Hypotenuse will be equal to root 2. Now OP as a base. Make here 90-degree angle and cut 1 unit. So this will be root 3. Give any name Q. This will be root 3. Now take root 3 as a base and make here 90-degree angle and cut 1 unit. This will be root 4. Root 4. Give any name PRS. So make here 90-degree angle and cut 1 unit and join with this one. So this will be N. So ON is representing root 5 on the number line. This length is equal to root 5 on the here, but we have to represent root 5 on the number line. So cut this distance equal to this distance and cut from here. So equal to ON, I cut from the number line, so it means OT you can give. OT is representing root 5 on the number line. OT. So by using spiral method also you can represent any rational number on the number line. Both the types I hope you have understood. If any doubt, any confusion, so write in comments there. So laws of exponents very easy. Last exercise you can do. If you have any problem, so please write in comments below. Thank you. Thank you.